Hello peeps. Today we're going over the local nature reserve because it's a really cold day. What's that noise? It's a really cold day and I want to see if the pond has frozen over, so we're going to go over the nature reserve. And obviously these are here to stop everyone coming over on crappy motorbikes and ruining the scenery. Oh, it's gorgeous over here. You've got a bit of industry beyond the fence over there though, industrial estate, so the noise can somewhat ruin the experience, but you try to ignore it and just bask in the nature. It's bloody gorgeous down here. I love this, like natural arch. Two in fact, there's one above and one at the end. Lovely. That's intriguing, isn't it? Should we go and take a wee gander inside of here? Because that is calling to me. Look at that. Let's go, guys. We're going in, baby. Let's have a little look-see. Oh wow, this is a nice little space. Loads of ivy on the trees. It chokes the trees, this stuff does though. Beautiful to look at, but it's dead destructive to the plants. There's only one plant I know of that can out-choke this ivy stuff, and that's honeysuckle, and that stuff's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at all this, man. Well, I ain't got anyone with me, I'm on my own filming, but at least I can share this beautiful scenery with you guys at home. Oh, it looks like someone maybe had a little camp here at some point as well. A little brick there and an empty cigarette packet. There's no fire pit though or nothing. You'd have to have a fire pit here, wouldn't you? To make it safe. Oh yeah, nice bit of sun there. Yeah, this spot's gorgeous. I could come down here and dig a little fire pit. Just make it a bit safer for everybody. I think that just leads back out onto the nature reserve, so we're not going to go that way. We're going to go back through and onto the trail. But yeah, what a nice little spot. It's gorgeous. Little panorama for you guys. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. It's freezing out, guys. Alright, and we'll rejoin you back on the trail. So this bit is a little bit inconvenient for cyclists. Many a time I've come over here at night and I've nearly boshed into that. Yeah, I ain't got a light on my bike. It's my own fault in many ways, but yeah, so weird. What's it just doing there? Meh. Anyway, on with the trail. I'm gonna get to the pond soon and see if it's frozen. I'm coming up to the junction now. We're not going that way. That's the best way to get to the pond, and that's where we just come from. Oh, you can't see Let me just zoom. There. There's that drain that we just went past. Onward and upward. Yeah, unfortunately that's right next to the nature reserve. Ruining the experience. Ruining, I tell you. So I've already pointed out that weird drain you've got to watch out for when you're cycling across here, but some of these routes are, for an inexperienced cyclist in the dark, these routes could be kind of dangerous. So watch your sen. A robin following us down the path. Oh, did you see him, guys? He's come to join the video. Oh, he's gone now. I love the robins. Round this bend and through another little set of trees, and then we are there. I see. I've just had to put my flask of tea down for a sec because we just came from there. But I've got to show you this. This, it wasn't the original place I was looking to check out, but it is a frozen pond. So that bodes well for the pond that we're actually going to, which is just up there beyond that sign. So we're not really far away at all. So a little pan around this nice little wood. And that's where we came from, that path. And that's the way we're going. Let's go! And don't forget my tea. I've got to have the cup of tea. Slurp, slurp. So, oh, sorry about the exposure, it's a bit bright, but it shows you some of the kinds of birds that you can find over here. If I can find any more of these signs, I'll show them. Fibbersley, this is called, if you ever get the chance to check it out. It's really nice, but we're right next to the pond now, so let's get to there. Oh no. Oh no, I just got to the little bench here and oh, it's bad news, guys. Oh. Well, what little water is there is frozen, but they've drained it and stuck some plasticky stuff down. Oh man. Well, we could still go over to the memorial over there. We'll still check that out. Damn it. Just as I'm filming some nice peaceful scenery, a plane flies over. Just my luck. Nice little birdhouse there. Some more nestage. Plenty of birds over here, of course. And let's get to the other side of the pond, to the memorial. Another couple of bird boxes up there. Oh, it's such a shame they've got this plastic stuff down. I wanted to see if the pond was frozen. Oh, it's a little doggy. So yeah, I just wanted to respectfully show this monument first. I say monument, it's a memorial, sorry. Hello mate, alright. And then we've got another sign here. So if this pond was functional at the moment, these are some of the sort of animals we'd be able to find here. It's a shame it's plastic, but I'm sure they have plans for it. Bloody hope so. Little panorama. Oh, cool. Funky little hollow in that tree. That's rad. And now I rest. I'm going to sit down, roll me a cigarette. It's time that I had a little resty pause. I'll get back to you once I've had a little smoke. What's that? Fuck's that? Oh, I'm tempted to. Shall I? It says to look. I don't know what it is. Should we have a look? It says to look. Oh, am I getting pranked here? Some kids left something really weird. How can I put my camera down? Hang on a sec, guys. I'll get back to you in a sec. I'm going to lean my camera against my leg and hope that you can see what I'm doing. Can you see that? I think it's a memory stick thing, a dongle. What the fuck? It looks brand new. Oh, what's on it now? Shall I take it? Shall I take it back and see what's on it? Oh, sorry, sunblast. I might have a crappy old laptop or something. I can, because it might have viruses or something on it, innit? Or some really horrible shit. You never know. Oh, I don't know what I'm letting myself in for here, but we'll check out what's on it. I'm sure I've got a laptop that I can sacrifice, and if there's anything bad on it, we'll take it to the police and tell them this is where we found it, on this random ass bench by a ruined pond. It's a bit of an anticlimax. Well, no, actually, we found that weird fucking dongle thing, so we'll have to see what this says. But as for the pond, that's a shame. Yeah, there's the little robin again. Heh. Oh, I do love the little robins. He's been watching me the whole time I've been filming. He has, puffing up his chest to make sure that I know that he's big and strong. Absolutely gorgeous little creatures, and they're so brave and brazen. They'll come right up to humans. Love them. Got so much character. Love them. So I'm about to head out of this place really, but there's still a few things to see on the way. Like, check this out. Monstrous felled tree. Well, the big felled branch, should I say, sorry. Oh, now that's the signs of a good cameraman. There's the sun blazing. I'm supposed to have the sun to my back, guys. I do know that, sorry, but funky cool trees, guys. Huh. And there's another bird box in there as well. Beautiful. This one's got quite a few bird boxes on it. Nice. Oh, sorry for the shakiness. When it's zoomed in, it's really sensitive. And back on the trail, so to exit. Look at this rugged old thing. Bloody hell. I just wanted to show you this. I'm not sure if this is actually one of the ones I'm thinking of, but some of these ferns here that look similar to this, they haven't changed since the Jurassic era. Some of them anyway. Huh. That's bright, isn't it? That's right, vibrant green. Look at that. I don't even know what that is. I'm not an expert though, guys. Far from it. Well, I suppose it was slightly anticlimactic really, with the pond not being frozen, but you can consider this an outro. It's been a nice little walk anyway. It ain't been too cold. It's been alright, you know. I've enjoyed it. Oh, and we've got that stick to look at as well. What the hell's gonna be on that? I hope it ain't no dodgy shit. Anyway, peeps, that's it. We are done for the day. We'll do another one soon. We'll do another one soon. Thanks for joining us, guys. Peace out, people. Now I've got to walk around in civilization again. And I don't want to. I want to be in the trees again. Thanks for joining, guys. Peace. Oh, and join us for part 2 when we have a look at what's on the stick. I forgot to mention that. Peace out, guys. Ta-da. How many times am I going to do that in one video? In one outro, in fact. Ta-da. There it is. We're going to see what's on it.